Best Travel Steamer A7. Cute penguin shape. 400 milliliters water tank with max limit mark. Ergonomic handle with 2 levels of button control switch. When it works at lower power level, this multifunctional steamer can be used as electric kettle or used as humidifier. When it works at higher power level, it can be used as portable steamer. The continuous steam can instantly remove the wrinkle away. Kill 99.9% germs on clothes with the natural power of steam. Every traveler deserves to own one. Our products are certified with CB, CE, ETL, CQC, and/or other certifications.